Governor Soludo has commissioned a water harvesting and recreation project and a newly reconstructed school auditorium at Boys Secondary School, Igbo-Ukwu, Agota local government area. The water project was executed by an old boy of the school and also the candidate of the All Progressives Grand Alliance for Agota Federal Constituency, Chief Dom Okafo, while the auditorium was reconstructed by the Old Boys Association of Boys Secondary School, Igbo-Ukwu. Government House correspondent Valentine Mbaduga filed the report.
Water is life, and by providing this, you've given quiet life to this institution. To the glory of God, it is now my honor and pleasure to commission this and declare it open for use. The glory of God.
Governor Soludo, while performing the function at the school premises, commended the benefactors, emphasizing on the public-community-private partnership model, which the gesture represents. He said that part of what his administration will do is to provide the enabling ground and mobilize the individuals to collaborate with government in making Anambra livable and prosperous. Governor Soludo promised that as revenue keeps rising, the government will continue to invest in education system while calling on private individuals and groups to partner the government to provide quality governance to Anambra and charge them to vote ABGA in the coming elections to enable him have a strong synergy for effective governance.
What the individuals and the communities can do, not at the heart of our development project. The communities and private individuals must do and a lot. And part of the leadership that we provide is to mobilize the people to rise up.
The water project benefactor, Engineer Dom Okafo, on his part, said that his intention was to ensure access to good water by students and teachers, which, according to him, will help in their output on cleanliness and academic-wise.
Water is life. We have solved a lot of problems, diseases. I'm a Rotarian, and in water and sanitation is one of our focus. You know, I've been a Rotarian for 25 years. It means provide water, especially to students.
The event climaxed as Governor spotted and offered scholarships to 3 children for exhibiting innovative skills.
If I had a foundation, if I had tried to promote innovation, digital skills, manufacturing, industrialization, or if I signify. Now, in today's world, and we're getting into this digital world, the emphasis is on what can you do.
From Igbo-Ukwu, in Agota local government area, Valentine Bada reporting for News.